Alrighty, welcome back to the Matt Scott Podcast, brought to you live from St. George, Utah. My guest today is Puggy the Puggle, my wonderful puppy. She is 6 months old. Shout out to Puggy. Thank you for joining us today. You want to say hi to the people? No, she's taking a nap by the fireplace. Alright. Well, thank you for joining us wherever you are. In the car, driving home, at the gym, wherever you may be listening to. We are thankful for you to join us today. Let's get right into our topic today. Today we are going to talk about childhood obesity and the ways that we as a community can help prevent this fast-paced, ever-growing thing that is taking over our country. This is a serious problem that is affecting the youth, and specifically the United States of America right here at home. And it is growing at a quite alarming rate. Things that are kind of doing this, I would say, would be television, commercials, ads that have fast food all over the place. I mean, you can't watch TV. Have the television on right now, and there's a Carl's Jr. commercial right now, so can't really escape the world of television and the commercials that they have, and children are quite easily influenced by this, and so that and social media and culture plays a big influence as well. And these things need to be worked on. We need to fix these in order to help our youth and children to live healthier lives. That's what it comes down to at the end. Let's see. Things that we can help prevent, like I stated, limit eating out at fast food restaurants. I know that's a big thing for me also. So it's not just youth, but just everyone. And every corner you turn, it seems like there's a Wendy's or a McDonald's on the corner. So that's not helping our case. And stat-wise, we're looking at about 1/3 of the children in the United States is obese. And another thing that I think adds to this factor is just electronics and just social media, and just the way that we live nowadays is just such a lazy way to do things. We just have our smartphones nowadays that can do anything, and just how we as a country are just being raised up nowadays. And overweight children statistically are at higher risk to be overweight adults. So if we fix this problem while they're young, then they won't have the health issues that they have when they grow up, like heart disease or diabetes, such diseases like that. And also not only physical health, but also mental health, I think, gets overlooked also. Mental health might even be a bigger part of it than physical health. They're more prone to develop stress and sadness and depression and sleep disorders, things of that nature, which we definitely need to fix as a country. And ideas that are being put out there are community play days, where a section of the community parking lot kind of blocked off, put a jumpy house, beanbag races, things of that nature, just to get kids outside. I think that's just something that we need to do in general, is just to get kids more involved in exercising and reinforce the importance of exercise. Just a few ideas that we have today on the show. Anything you want to add today, Puggy? Nope, she's still sleeping. Just to wrap up real fast, childhood obesity is such a big thing that we need to focus on as a country. It gets overlooked just because I think it just has been normalized. But we need to focus on it and figure out ways that we can help prevent it for our children and for our children's children down the line. So once again, I'd like to thank you for joining us today on the Matt Scott Podcast. Feel free to tune in. We encourage it. Tune in weekly. We discuss fiery topics throughout the week. So thanks again for listening, everyone.